welcome to 309 Alta Loma Drive in South San Francisco. I'm Jenny.
I'm Ashley. We're here with Own Real Estate.
Yeah, come on in. Ashley's going to tell you all about the kitchen.
Welcome. We're very excited to share this home with you today that was recently updated just within the last 2 years, and you're going to see a lot of beautiful new features in this home. So one of the main things is early on they removed the wall that was here and really opened up this space so that you can entertain, watch the little ones, and really just make this a MasterChef kitchen. And so along with that are top of the line appliances that we have here in the kitchen, which are Bosch dishwasher and refrigerator, as well as this large farmer-sized sink. Love this. I am not a chef, but I'm really good at washing the dishes. So this is fantastic. Plenty of storage space here in this kitchen, as well as this top of the line Italian stovetop with 5 burners. So big fan of this, as well as if you take a quick peek around into the kitchen, you'll see one of my favorite features, which is the wine fridge. And then as we come down here, you'll see that there's extra pantry storage space as well in this open dining space, which right now the family has it set up for 4. They are a little bit smaller, just the parents and their little ones. So they didn't need as much of a dining room space, but plenty of room here, as well as you've got the countertop, which is great for entertaining and just having the little ones help you with some of the sous chef. As we're in this area, we're going to take a quick peek into the garage, which is attached. And so we'll just do a quick peek in here where you'll find the washer and dryer, 1-car garage, and additional storage space. Also access to the backyard. And then as we come down this hallway, or the open space here in the living room, they've set up a little desk here. A lot of us are working from home these days, so they've set that up. As well as when you're having company over, it's great to have a half bath. So we've got tons of natural light coming in here as well. And then this updated half bath with additional storage and just an opportunity of all this beautiful lighting that was recently updated. Some other features of the home that you may not notice are there are built-in speakers in all of the rooms, so that you can really enjoy your music throughout the home, as well as the recessed lighting and a newer roof. Jenny's gonna take you outside so that we can take a quick peek into the backyard.
Yeah. This house is definitely an entertainer's dream, especially if you have young ones, young kids. So this is my favorite part, the house where you can have your kids and have play dates, and they'll have their own tree house that they can climb up. There's a rock climbing wall. There's a little mailbox, a little kitchen here as well too, and a slide and a swing. And they actually invested a lot in putting this AstroTurf, which is very soft. There's foam underneath, so they can jump around, run around. It even feels like a little trampoline on this area. And you can invite people over on this wooden deck area for a barbecue and a lot of ample space. And the thing is that we're on a nice corner lot, so there's not many corner lots in this completely remodeled home in the area. So let's take a look back in, and then Ashley will bring you to the master suite areas.
And so we're gonna head down the hallway here, where we are gonna notice a couple of the features. With the recessed lighting, there is the fading feature if you wanna dim the lights, as well as the Nest thermostat. They've put in some additional storage here in the hallway, which is always nice. And then the first thing around the corner here is the bathroom. So full bath with tub, which is great for the little ones. We've got some additional hallway closet storage here. And our first bedroom here, great size, plenty of windows, a lot of natural light. Corner closet there. And then we head into this very large guest bedroom that they've actually set up as an additional workspace. So you can see here how large this room is. Again, a lot of natural light coming in, along with the recessed lighting and the speakers in this room as well. And then plenty of closet space here along the wall.
then I'll walk you into the master suite area. So as we walk in, my favorite part about this room is all the closet space that you have. You have his and hers closet, so double closet here, and there's even a nice chair for a sitting area, a lot of playroom area with the kids running around, and a lot of storage space. This is looks like a California king bed, so a lot of ample space. And when we walk down here, the nice thing about the toilet is actually separate from the shower in case you want some privacy. And here you have the double sinks as well too. So very nice ample space. And then we have the shower here that's completely updated with new tiling and just a very modern touch here, and definitely can enjoy waking up and getting ready in this bathroom. So we're excited to showcase this home for you guys in person, and if you guys want a private tour, you can call me at 650-250-3050, or you can call Ashley.
You can reach me at 650-793-5750. We look forward to showing you this home in person. And we also just wanted to share a little bit also about Buri Buri neighborhood. One feature that a lot of people love about it, it is a quiet neighborhood here in South San Francisco, and also a commuter's dream as it has easy access to 101, 280, getting you close to San Francisco or Silicon Valley.
And there's a lot of great hubs here, such as the Biotech Hub with Genentech and Amgen nearby, and then there's also 3 Costco's and Trader Joe's and a lot of great shopping areas that I love about living in South San Francisco. So thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in a private tour here.
Thanks, guys.